Hey, I hope this video finds you well and in good spirits. Today, I want to talk to you about your passion and encourage you to chase it with all your heart. Life is short, and it's important to spend our time doing things that bring us joy and fulfillment. Your passion is something that ignites a fire within you and gives you a sense of purpose. It's what you were born to do, and it's what makes you unique. I know that chasing your passion can be scary, especially if it means taking a risk or stepping out of your comfort zone. But the rewards are immeasurable. When we do what we love, we're happier, more fulfilled, and more motivated to keep going. Think about it. What if you spent your days doing something you're truly passionate about? How much happier and fulfilled would you be? Imagine waking up every day excited about the work you're going to do and the impact you're going to make. I'm not saying it will be easy. There will be challenges and obstacles along the way, but that's all part of the journey. The key is to keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. You have the talent, the drive, and the passion to make your dreams a reality. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take the first step towards chasing your passion today. Start small, but keep moving forward. And remember, you're not alone. I'm here to support you every step of the way. I want to encourage you to get off your ass and start taking the necessary steps to make it happen. I know change can be daunting and scary, but remember that you have the power to create the life you want. You don't have to settle for mediocrity or stay stuck in a rut. There are so many opportunities out there waiting for you to grab them. Imagine how great it will feel to look back in a few years and see how far you've come. You'll feel proud of yourself for taking the steps to create the life you want. You'll have more confidence, better relationships, and a more fulfilling career. But it all starts with taking action. I know you may feel overwhelmed, but the key is to start small. Make a list of the changes you want to make and break them down into manageable steps. Start with one thing, and once you've achieved it, move on to the next. Before you know it, you'll have made significant progress towards your goals. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. I'm here to support you every step of the way. And if you need additional help, there are so many resources available, from self-help books to online courses to therapy. Don't be afraid to reach out for help when you need it. Today is the best time you'll ever have. Firstly, it's important to recognize that making positive changes in our lives is never an easy task. It requires effort, dedication, and the willingness to step out of our comfort zones. However, the benefits of making these changes are immeasurable. One reason why today is the best time for your friend to change his life for the better is that we never know what tomorrow may bring. Life is unpredictable, and we cannot always control the circumstances that we find ourselves in. By taking action today, your friend is ensuring that he is making the most of the time that he has, and is setting himself up for a better future. Another reason why today is the best time for your friend to change his life for the better is that there are more resources and support available now than ever before. We live in an age of technology where information and resources are at our fingertips. Your friend can find inspiration, guidance, and support online or by connecting with others who have gone through similar experiences. Lastly, it's important to remember that change is a process, and it doesn't happen overnight. The sooner your friend starts making positive changes in his life, the sooner he will see the benefits. Even small steps can make a big difference in the long run. In summary, today is the best time for your friend to change his life for the better because he cannot control what tomorrow may bring. There are more resources and support available now than ever before, and even small steps can make a big difference. Encourage your friend to take action today and start making positive changes towards a brighter future. So, my friend, I challenge you to get off your ass and start taking action towards the life you want. Brother, I encourage you to take that leap of faith and chase your passion. The world needs your unique gifts and talents, and I have no doubt that you will make a difference. Believe in yourself and go after what sets your soul on fire. The time is now, and you have everything you need to make it happen. Let's do this together. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more great inspirational videos. We'll see you on the next one.